Hello, today we are going to look at how to use Ctrl and E, like Ctrl+C, to generate email address in Excel. So if you have this data, maybe names, first name, last name, ID, and email address first, to make sure you type the first name, then you add the email address, then maybe at yahoo.com. So when you are done with the first one, then you come down and you press and hold the control key, then you press letter E. You see that the rest of the email addresses will be inserted. Thank you.